Can you do a trick, Spidey? Come on.
Spidey!
Oh, that's not a trick.
Hey, Spidey. Go give him a beer, then he would probably do one.
Come on, Poodle.
Yeah, no. Throw him half of that.
Come on, Poodle. Come on.
Stick it on a stick. Find a really long stick.
No.
Put it on there. Just give him some.
Here you go, Allie.
Okay, here we go. Now he's like,
Roll over.
I'm behind. So you
Here,
can jump
Kristen.
on it. Say grrr. Say grrr, Lulu.
I'm up.
Say grrr, Lulu. Say grrr. Don't get on me.
About to fall.
Hey, you're about to fall.
Hello, look.
Say grrr. Grrr.
Return!
That's what you are. He's a retard.
Did you ride on turtles? Oh. My kids like to do forever.
What is that panther or cheetah?
They're both. It's actually both. All panthers use mosquitoes. Leopard. A leopard. That's not a cheetah, that's a leopard.
One's a cheetah, one's a leopard. No, they're both.
Leopard, Black Panther.
Well, whatever.
There's one right there.
Look at that fat cat.
Hey, look at that one. Oh, look at it. It's going down to it. He's trying to hang himself.
Like scary movie too. Here I am. I'm hanging myself.
Hey, stupid.
How thick is this glass? I don't feel very protected.
Thick.
They've got one section where you can like peek in.
Lion.
No, you have to throw it on the ground.
Put it on the ground.
They're like, hey, we kind of like this.
Come on.
Alex, you give it to them. They won't eat it out of your hand, Dork.
They will. I've got them to before.
No, you haven't. You're lying.
I'm getting fresh.
Get out of the mud.
Laura, get out of there.
Hey, you want some crumbs? Here's some crumbs.